This is Maddie on March, I don't know what it is, I think the 10th, 2013, playing on the pirate ship kids pool. Yeah, Maddie, what are you doing? It's kind of cold, but look at you, loving it. There's your mommy.
Hi.
There's you. And then that's where we're staying. We're at the Westin Villas. There's the pool, the kids pool, I mean, and then there's this playground.
The water's warm right now.
Yeah. The Westin Maui Villas. Huh, Maddie? Maddie, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Look, you like this, huh? Look at her, she likes it. She's chilling. Loves turning. Ooh. Pirate ship. Maddie's touring the pirate ship. Yeah, what are you doing?
Cover it.
Maddie, look. Hey, bring us down. All right.